Hey there everyone, my name is Jayzee D Payabyab along with Mr. Jaynel Regis and Princess Cloey Raganit, and we are the Group 7, and we're here to present the presentation and the lesson about the water resource engineering. Okay, let's start. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what is water resource engineering, roles of water resource engineering, infrastructures created by water resource engineering, and importance of water resource engineering. Okay, let's start for the what is water resource engineering. We're going to call Mr. Jaynel Regis.
My name is Jaynel Regis, Pakistan founder by siya. Water resources engineering is the study and management of equipment, facilities, and techniques that are used to manage and preserve life's most plentiful resources. In addition to accessing how many, the best way is which to control water as in pertain to water-related activities such as irrigation, waste disposal, and canal development. Water resources engineering are also frequently involved in the water management to ensure that it's safe to drink both for human, plant, and animal usage. As previously referenced, surface water make up about 71% of the planet, which is the equivalent for roughly 326 million cubic miles. At the same time, not just of the earth water is fresh, according to the Bureau of Reclamation. And of this total, 2.5% of is out of reach, contained in the soil, popular ice cap, the atmosphere, and glacier or too late to use safely.
Water resource engineers may be tasked with awesome responsibility of ensuring that the planning and management of available water supply are adequately leveraged and remain safe to use for as long as possible. They may also be involved in water treatment so that the quality of water is improved upon for various end uses, whether that's recreationally, commercially, or industrially. Sino nga ba ang mga water resource engineering? Ang mga water resource engineering, sila yung mga nag-aaral tungkol sa mga paano ipe-preserve yung tubig sa atin, and ano din yung tamang pag-manage ng tubig dito sa atin. For example, sila yung mga responsible dun sa kung paano nila magiging, kung drinkable ba yung water or hindi. Next in line is the roles of water resource engineering. So let me call Miss Princess Cloey Raganit to explain this.
Now we tackle about what are the roles of water resource engineers. Water resource engineers fulfill with a wide variety of roles in designing and managing water-based systems. These roles include designing major water distribution system that transports water to water users, and collection system that conveys waste and storm water, managing surface and groundwater resources, measuring and quantifying flows in rivers and streams, modeling and designing major water resources projects like canals, reservoirs, and hydroelectric works, and many other water-related engineering functions. Water resources engineering can be broadly divided into three categories. First is groundwater, hydrology, and the hydraulics. First is the groundwater engineering. Groundwater engineering focuses on modeling and managing subsurface water and designing extraction system. And the second one is hydrology. Hydrology is primarily associated with the watershed and river modeling and understanding interaction between atmospheric surface and the subsurface. And the last one is the hydraulics or the hydromechanics. Hydromechanics emphasize the mechanics of water flow, including the pressurized flow, open channel flow, and the flow structure interaction. The water resources management. Hydraulic systems such as water distribution systems system, storm and sanitary sewers, pump configurations, and the hydraulic design and modeling of flow in rivers and lake streams.
And next is the infrastructures created by the water resource engineers. Next in line is dams. Okay, alam naman natin yung itsura ng dams. Diba sila yung mga lagay ng tubig? Dams is a barrier that stops or restricts the flow of surface water or underground streams. Reservoirs created by dams not only suppress floods but also provide water for activities such as irrigation, human consumption, industrial use, aquaculture, and navigability. So pag sinabi nating dam, sila yung mga parang imbakan ng tubig natin dito sa lugar natin, dito sa Earth. So sila yung mga hindi lang basta tagapigil siya ng tubig kasi sila din yung pwede natin gamitin in terms of irrigation or halimbawa sa mga bukid. Pag tayo, yung mga patubig na tinatawag, kadalasan yung mga yun nanggagaling sa dams na nakakarating sa ating mga tubig. Sila yun yung mga nagagawa ng dams sa atin. And next is the irrigation canals. Irrigation canals yan, nakikita nyo naman yan. Marami dito mga irrigation canals. Irrigation canal is an artificial channel that is the main waterway that brings irrigation water from a water source to the area to be irrigated. They can be lined with a concrete, brick, stone, or a flexible membrane to prevent seepage and erosion. So si irrigation canal, sila yung kadalasang mga nagagamit ng mga magbubukid. Yun yung tinatawag nga nilang patubig. Yun yung makikita natin pagka tag-araw, pumupunta tayo sa patubig and doon tayo kumukuha ng tubig para sa mga bukid natin. And next is water drainage system. Drainage is the method of removing surface or subsurface water from a given area. Drainage systems are designed to dispose of wastewater as quickly as possible and should prevent gases from sewers and septic tanks from entering residential areas. So pag sinabi nating water drainage system, si water drainage system, sila yung nakikita nyo naman yun sa mga lugar na sa syudad, which is maraming mga drainage. Diba, pag sira ang drainage, nagbabaha. So, kaya kailangan natin ng drainage dito sa atin kasi sila yung nagtatanggal ng tubig and nagpe-prevent din sila ng mga toxins dun sa tubig. Kasi nga, i-remove nila yung tubig dun sa surface natin. Next is wells. Wells is katulad nun, yung mga balon na sinasabi nila. Mas kilala siya as yung iba, di ba, ang ginagamit ng mga magbubukid is tosang. And well is an excavation or structure created in the ground by digging, driving, or drilling to access liquid resources, usually water. The oldest and most common kind of well is water well, to access groundwater in the underground of aquifers. Yun nga, yung sinasabi ko, yan yung mga kadalasang pinanggagalingan ng mga tubig dito sa bukid, yung tosang na tinatawag dito. Sila yung parang yun nga, balon, kinukuha na ng tubig para magamit natin sa pagbubukid. Next is the importance of a water resource engineering. Let me call Mr. Jaynel Regis to discuss about the importance of water resource engineering.
Importance: hydroelectric power development, water supply, irrigation, and navigation are some familiar application of water resources engineering involve the utilization of water for beneficial purpose. Civil engineering play a vital role in the optimal planning, design, and operation of water resources system. Water engineering is involved with the provision of clean water, disposal of wastewater and sewage, and the prevention of flood damage. Their jobs involve repairing, maintaining, and building structures that control water resources. For example, see defense wall, pumping station, and reservoir. Especially, they work to find water supply for towns and cities, design irrigation system for farm and vineyard, control flooding for off-stream and river, control soil erosion, and protect the environment by preventing and cleaning up water pollution.
Do we have any questions? Okay, if not, this is the end of our discussion. And remember that this discussion is prepared by Mr. Jayzee D. Payabyab, Mr. Jaynel Regis, Miss Princess Cloey Raganit. Thank you.